Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the MedPrax and IQest segment within the system options. In this video, we will start on the system options screen. Click on the system options button in the toolbar. The entity setup screen will open. Click on the MedPrax IQest tab. The clinical interfaces screen will open. We will now go over the various fields and sections within the clinical interfaces screen. MedPrax medical aids file refers to the settings that relate directly to the medical aid rules. Do not update multi-tier rules implies that none of the established rules will be automatically updated with the latest information when the MedPrax or IQest price list is revised. Tick or untick the checkbox if applicable. Please be aware that it is advisable to uncheck the checkbox unless the facility utilizes private markups. Nevertheless, this setting will remain checked for hospitals as their rules function differently from those of a regular medical practice. MedPrax or IQest medicine file refers to all settings related directly to the medicine file of the facility. This label will display that the current entity is linked to the stock schema SID3. VAT rate refers to the current percentage of VAT that will be added to the stock. Click on the VAT rate field to update the VAT amount if applicable. Medicine income account is the ledger account of which ethicals will be posted. Click on the ellipse button to select the relevant ledger. Material income account is the ledger account to which surgicals will be posted. Click on the ellipse button to select the relevant ledger. Medicine S1 to S7 profit percentage refers to the profit percentage added to ethicals from Schedule 1 to 7. Click on the Medicine S1 to S7 profit percentage field and complete the relevant percentage. Schedule 0 profit percentage refers to the profit percentage added to the Schedule 0 ethicals. Click on a Schedule 0 profit percentage field and complete the relevant information. Material profit percentage refers to the profit percentage added to surgicals over and above the multi-tier rules. Click on the Material profit percentage field and complete the relevant percentage. Click on a Display Affected Entities button to see which entities will be affected by changes made. Please be aware that modifications to the markup and VAT percentages will impact all entities associated with the same stock schema SID. Default method of stock items update refers to the way in which stock items will be updated once the update process is completed. Let's now take a look at the choices within this section, each accompanied by a corresponding radio button. Update existing codes, add items as active implies that all current items will undergo updates, and new items will be introduced and flagged as active within the system. Update existing codes do not add signifies that exclusively the existing codes within the system will be updated with no addition of new codes taking place. Update existing codes, add items as inactive means that while all existing items will be updated, new items will be added and labeled as inactive in the system. You will need to manually set them as active in order to build those items. However, it's important to highlight that this approach is not recommended. MedPrax update refers to which items will undergo updating when the MedPrax or IQest update is executed. Tick the relevant checkboxes of the items that will be updated. Medicine refers to all ethical items which will be updated. Material refers to all surgical items which will be updated. MedPrax import indicates that the medical aid and stock URLs for importing either the IQest or MedPrax file, depending on the chosen import file, will be automatically filed. Any fields left empty will be excluded from the consideration during this process. Please note that all settings are applicable to all stock schemas SIDs. Click on a Save button to save the changes that have been made. Please note that the Save button will only appear if changes have been made to the settings. Click on the Print button to print the details of all saved options. Click on the Exit button to close the entity setup screen and return to the system options screen.